Hi everybody, this is Janet D, the PT. As a licensed physical therapist, I am the expert to give you a tour of a rehab department. You ready? Let's go. All right, so we're entering into the rehab department, okay? What's great about this place is that we have windows, which is great. So this first thing we come upon is called the parallel bars, okay? In these bars, we do standing, walking, balance, anything where you feel like you need a hand, okay? We always have extra chairs. Okay, we have a set of stairs, getting people ready to go home, do what they got to do. Okay, so you can see how the stairs are different sizes. Okay, extra handrails because we can always take them away, right? Oh, there's our weights and straps. And a measuring for distance and extra canes. Okay, our walker pile, different versions. Okay, I love the mat table. What's great about a mat table is that it's firmer than a bed, but still easy to get on and off. Okay, here is a new step so we can work on endurance, stamina, strength, resistance. Okay, documentation. Whoop whoop. Oh, our closet full of stuff. Okay, so in therapy we always actually have a lot of toys that we can play with, anything to make therapy feel fun and enjoyable rather than work. Okay, so we always got our hand weights, we got braces, sheets, things that we need, right? We have a kitchen for people to practice cooking. Okay. All right. We also have some of our occupational therapy items, which help with more fine-tuning, grip, hand strength, okay? We got an arm bike to work again on that endurance. You can stand, you can sit with it, okay? My favorite part about a gym, and all gyms will look different, okay? But my favorite part is big open space, okay? You don't really need bells and whistles in order to get better, move harder, move smarter, not harder, okay, to rehab. But I love open space because walking is essential, okay, but being able to have that open, creative space. All right, if you really like this video, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.